Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
Good Monday morning. Today's just gonna be a get some stuff done and relax at the same time. So I have the heating cooling guy that's supposed to be here in the next like 30-ish minutes to service that. I do need to clean the house. Not the full thing. I did do bathrooms and rugs yesterday, so I just got to dust and do a quick vacuum. And I think I want to mop the dining room potentially. Back here I got a couple packages that I need to go ahead and take care of. I think I'm going to do that now so it's out of the way when they get here. And then I got to run to Food Line to get a couple food items. Like I said, it's just going to be a bunch of random odds and ends things to do today. All right, the main thing is the toilet paper. And then I do know there's a couple these that need to go in here.
Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh.
Now that that part's done, I'm gonna just chill until he gets here and does what he's got to do, and then we'll get back on the ball of doing things today. Unfortunately, it looks like it's gonna be cloudy, which doesn't afford for a lot of energy, so hopefully I can get some stuff done. Well, I guess changing plans. So the heating guys had somebody call out, so they had to push me till like 3 o'clock. So I think I'm gonna worry about transferring laundry. I have one more Amazon package that's on its way. It's like 10 stops away. And then I'm probably gonna run to Food Line to knock that out.
Inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, dancing in the rain. Hey. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh.
All right, I went ahead and got the cleaning done, so that's out of the way. My package showed up, which was a new planner, just something smaller and a little more compact. I feel like that big one that I bought is just not, I'm not using it like I should. Like I fill stuff out, but I'm not really paying much attention to it, so I wanted to get something else. And this one was April through June of next year. So I was like, okay, perfect. And it's, again, smaller. So we're going to set that up a little bit later. I want to restock the jelly beans in this bowl. It is Easter week, so that Easter candy is going to get eaten this week and be gone. And I need to restock the pantry of my snack items for work. You also know that I need to replenish my snack bars and applesauce. I only have a 4-day work week because I have Saturday off, so I'm just gonna grab 3. And then I got 3 of these bars, which, thank you Jesus, these are almost gone. I did not like these. They taste chemical, so I'm glad these are gonna be gone. I'm gonna put these in the cupboard too to eat this week, and then I have some chocolates we're gonna put out as well. Alright, now I can enjoy these this week while they work. I think we'll put this over here though. There we go. And I know I didn't do an adult Easter basket this year. I just decided to skip it in light of the financial stuff, and I didn't really need to buy myself a bunch of stuff to go in an Easter basket just for video, so we're skipping that this year. I am working on a Mother's Day gift for my mom though, because there was stuff I wanted to order from various locations. I'm having it all shipped to me, and I'm going to make a basket that I'm going to mail to her, so I've been starting on that early, so I have time to ship it. And they did finally get their power back on Saturday, so 2 days ago. So yay, finally. So that's a plus. My mom's still struggling a lot with her medical issues. She's having good days and bad days. And so the point of my gift was to do something that would allow her to relax. And she loves coffee and she loves God. So I was like, perfect. We'll do like a coffee, Jesus, God themed basket for her. Okay, so I'm gonna wait and go to Food Line 10:30, 11ish. Maybe I can get lunch from the hot bar there or Subway, one of the two while I'm over that way. And then I can get the few items that I need to grab while I'm in there. But I'm just gonna chill out for the next little bit. Because I've gotten pretty much everything done I had to do today. So that's plus. I love when I can get stuff done early and have more time to relax. This afternoon, I want to work on setting up the new planner. I need to write out a few lists. I need a meal plan, which I know I didn't get you guys a grocery haul yet, so that'll be coming next weekend. Yeah, when I get my next round of groceries, I'll do a haul for you. Threw on a pair of jeans. We're going to head up to Food Line now so I can get that done. My hair just isn't doing it today. But let's go get this knocked out.
Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. 'Cause I could stay inside and type away inside, or make a today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside and type away inside, or take today, go dancing in the rain, yeah. Na, 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 na. Woo, oh, oh. Na, 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 na. Woo, oh, na, 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 na. Woo, na, na, na. Woo, na, na, na. Woo, oh, na, 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 na. Woo, oh, oh. Na, 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 na. Woo, oh, na, 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 na.
So, decided to come to Hardee's because that's the only fast food place near my house. Because Food Line didn't put the hot food out, and yeah, I wanted hot food for lunch, so just waiting on my order, and then we're gonna head back home and eat. Now that I've had time to eat, I figure I'll give you a quick little haul. Not that I bought too much. I already put some sliced turkey and a ham steak in the fridge. That's because Walmart's ham steaks are just too big, and I don't need one for Easter that big. I did get some slicing tomatoes for sandwiches. I don't normally do this, but I bought one of these protein oats because I only need one for this week, and I'm out of oats. And I think I'm switching to my overnight oats, so that's why I didn't want to buy more. Got some English muffins for next week. And if you know, it's that time of the month, so I got me some chocolate chip cookies, and I was craving a Milky Way. So I'm gonna put this stuff away real quick. I've just been sitting here. I got my meal plan figured out for the next 2 weeks so I can order groceries soon. I also put some stuff into my planner, so that's taken care of, and the heating guy just called and said he's on his way. He should be here in about 20 minutes. So the rest of today is going to be very chill. It's more like just random odds and ends, computer, paper stuff, and then dinner. I'm reheating a meal I made yesterday. So it's going to be a very chill day. The heating guy left. I've already had dinner and I totally forgot to show you. It was this recipe I found on Pinterest that's like rice and ground beef and salsa and corn and cheese. Really good. It was really easy and it reheats well, so that's a perfect meal prep meal for me. I'm sorry this wasn't more of an eventful day. I also needed to relax because last week I was sick. I had the flu, so that kind of knocked me on my butt a little bit. And I'm just hoping at this point I get some more motivation and energy back so I can get a little more consistent with the videos again. But I do hope you enjoyed coming along with me on my very relaxing, chill day. And as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.